Let's imagine for a minute that it's day 2 of Lollapalooza. You're hot, you're dehydrated, you've lost all your friends, and you're jamming out with a bunch of sweaty strangers to some band that you've never heard of. What would that song sound like? I don't know, but we're gonna try and write it. Let's start with drums. Next, let's do some keys that sound like they fell out of the 80s. Some bass. Let's do lead guitar. And now we need some like Lollapalooza festival sound and vocals.